Are you feeling disconnected from your partner?
Are you wondering what happened to the spark?
Are you feeling like you're stuck in Groundhog Day?
Or that somehow you're locked up in the logistics of living?
We're talking to so many couples, we've discovered there are some amazing tools missing to help you reconnect.
Hi, I'm John Broadbent. Amanda and I put together a program called Retune, helping couples reconnect.
The workshop is so powerful. It is the missing link to great happiness and an awesome relationship.
Couples get locked into loops where one blames the other and the other blames them. Before you know it, the blame starts off and it just escalates into a mess.
Complaints are seen as nagging when really all they are is a need that's being missed, a need that needs to be filled. We all want our passions and our needs met somehow, some way.
I mean, we all want to be seen in a relationship. We all want to be wanted in a relationship. And yet so much can get in the way. And yet, with some simple strategies, we can help you navigate that, break that down, and then get that spark back into your relationship.
John and Amanda were great. They're supportive, caring. They're just genuinely nice, honest, in touch with themselves individuals that only want the best for your relationship.
What motivates me to do this is I have done the journey of having some pretty failing relationships. I've done healing for myself because I won't give up. I believe in love, and I've learned so much for myself. I want to help others learn the tools to have a great relationship and have true inner happiness for themselves.
And in my work with men, I discovered that a lot of men are simply going through the motions. They're stuck in stereotypes, they're stuck in roles and responsibilities and wearing masks without really understanding who they are or how they fit in the world, and they're masking a lot of internal pain. So my passion is to help men understand why that's there, how to release it, and how to live far more fulfilling lives.
When Warwick was engaging in the exercises and was really taking it all on board, I felt supported. I felt heard. I felt that we're in this journey together and we're together forever.
From what John and Amanda presented us, I don't believe there's any couple in Australia that wouldn't have the issues that they raised this weekend.
One of the loops we've identified is what we call the island and the wave, and people don't realise that this dynamic is often at play quite a lot in relationships.
It can cause such confusion, it can cause quite angst, blocks to how we can be seen and heard. But it's very simple. By having the right tools to slow the pace down, to manage our emotions, it's very easy to communicate with really good understanding how to get the answers and be heard.
I just want to say thank you to Amanda and John. I'm going to recommend this to every single couple, whether I think they need it or not, because I think this is invaluable to every single person out there. It's a weekend out of your life. It gives you the skills to move forward in a positive direction and be there for your partner.
I'm so happy. I'm overflowing with love, and I'm so grateful in my heart that this happened to me and I did the right decision. This was the right decision.
So why not come along? Why not explore your relationship? Why not find out how you can put the spark back in your partnership?
Please join us. You'll find the way back, and it's so worth it because you're worth it.